Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alecia and I am so happy that you are here with me today. Today's class is going to be for tight hamstrings and lower back pain. So if that's you, this is your practice. Start out a little differently today. Let's come with our hands behind us and we're going to bring our feet to the mat. And right away we're going to begin to drop our knees left to right. A couple more times each side. All right, perfect. Now see if you can come and just bring your chest over your thighs, tuck chin to chest. Let's take 5 deep breaths here. Slowly roll up. We'll bring our feet to the side, come through into a tabletop. Taking a moment here to get situated, bringing knees under hips, wrists under shoulders, gazing straight down between your hands. To feel nice and grounded, I invite you to press down each fingerprint into the mat. And then take your awareness to the crown of your head and the tip of your tailbone. And see if you can grow just a little longer, making space between the vertebrae. On your next inhale, you can dip your belly, chest comes forward, find your cow pose. As you exhale, round through the spine. Finding your flow, staying with your breath. And coming through to neutral spine, let's sit back on our heels for a moment, clasp your hands together and roll out your wrists. If sitting all the way back on your heels is too much, you can always come up. And shaking out the wrists. Let's take right ear to right shoulder. One more deep breath in. As you exhale, left ear to left shoulder. Making sure both shoulders stay nice and relaxed. Another deep breath in. And come through center. We'll tuck chin to chest. Feeling a nice stretch on the back of our neck. Shoulders continue to roll back and down. See if you can relax any tension that's crawled into the belly or thighs. Take a nice deep breath in. And long sigh out. Coming through all fours. Tucking toes, coming back into downward facing dog, moving nice and slow, keeping your knees bent, keeping your heels lifted. Lifting up through the hips, drop the top of the head down. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to gently press into the left heel as we keep our right knee nice and bent. Switch. Press down the right heel as your left knee bends. And switch. And switch. And come back through to an equal downward facing dog. We'll float through to a plank and slowly lower. We'll come into Sphinx, bringing our elbows underneath our shoulders, gazing forward. Pressing down through your forearms, through your palms, gaze comes forward. See if you can lengthen all the way up to the crown of your head. And we'll hold for 3 more deep breaths. Lower your nose. Sweep your hands next to your chest. Let's push up through tabletop. Tuck toes. Find that downward facing dog with knees bent. And we're going to walk to the top of our mat. And coming in to a forward fold. Now this is a great place to have blocks that can bring the floor up to you. And you can have somewhere to put your hands. But if your hands don't reach very far down and you don't have blocks or books that you can stack, what we're going to do here is we're going to clasp alternate elbows and hang our head down. Keeping a nice bend in the knees. Just knowing wherever you end up is absolutely perfect. Always the option to rock a little left and a little right. Relaxing your arms, slowly roll up. Inhale to circle, sweep your hands up. Exhale, hands come down through heart center. We're going to take our hands onto our hips and we're going to step a little wider. This is going to be our inhale position. And then as we exhale, keeping a bend in the knees, we're just going to come down halfway. Inhaling up. Exhaling halfway. Continue to flow. nice and slow. Let's do 2 more. And coming up, bring your feet together, keeping hands at the hips. We're gonna ground down through the right foot, pick up your left foot, send it back, find pyramid pose. If you find that you're a little wobbly, you can always train track your feet, take them a little wider to the edges of your mat. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale. Keeping a little bend in each of your knees, we're gonna fold forward. Option to bring your hands to your thigh, to your ankle, to the floor, or if you have them, this is a great place to bring those blocks. And eventually you'll tuck chin to chest, and you'll breathe, and you'll hold. Final deep breath in. Exhale to slowly come up, bringing hands to hips, bend into that right knee, step together. Standing nice and tall, we'll take it over to the other side, ground down through your left foot, right foot goes back. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale, you fold forward. And then finding either your thigh, your ankle, some blocks, whatever feels good for you. And we hold and we breathe. Final deep breath in. Using your exhale to bend slightly into that left leg. Bringing yourself up. Step together. Step to the front of the mat. Inhale, circle, sweep your hands up. Palms together. Exhale. We're going to come down. Squatting just a little bit, almost like a chair, coming through like a chair. And squatting down, plant the hands, safely make your way all the way onto your back, bringing your knees into your chest. We're gonna rock a little left and a little right, getting that wonderful low back massage. And then coming into supine twist, bring your arms out to the side, let your knees fall to the right, gaze over your left shoulder. Take a nice deep breath in. On your exhale, lift your knees up, send them over to the left, gaze over your right shoulder. Nice deep breath in. Exhale to come onto your back, arms by your side, feet come out, coming into Shavasana, your final resting pose. And coming back to your room, back to your body, back to your breath, wiggling fingers and toes, rocking your head side to side. Gently turning onto whichever side feels right to slowly push yourself up into a seated position. Placing your hands over your heart, taking a nice deep breath in and out to close our practice. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are here hearing these words and you enjoyed this practice, if it was helpful for you, please leave me a like or let me know how you got on in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here, and I do hope that this practice has helped you. Bye for now.